All of the gorgeous flavour is just going to be absorbed by the orzo in a minute. And add the chicken back to the pan, nestle it in, skin side up. Hello and welcome to the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. My name is Mandy Miller-Simmonds and today I'm going to cook something really simple but totally delicious from my new book, Simply Dinners. I'm cooking a chicken and orzo tray bake, which is all cooked in one pan. It could not be more simple to make and it's full of lovely flavour. Like many, I'm not a fan of endless washing up. That's why the one pot chapter in my book is dedicated to recipes that deliver big on taste while keeping things fuss-free. Cooking everything in a single dish allows flavours to mingle beautifully, creating meals that are both satisfying and economical. First of all, you need to find yourself some kind of oven dish. I like to use a shallow casserole dish. Roughly chop your vegetables. We've got one medium red onion here, but any onion will work. We're going to put that at the base of the pan. And then I've got 2 red Romano peppers. But again, you can use any kind of peppers you like. Personally, I'm not that keen on the green in this. I think orange, yellow and red are really sweet and they're caramelised beautifully. Then next I've got 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I'm going to add that too. Drizzle it with olive oil and season it with plenty of salt and pepper. Give it a good mix to combine the vegetables and make sure everything is fully coated. If you want to trim off any excess fat from the chicken, then I find a pair of kitchen scissors work really well for this. Now add the chicken on top of the peppers, onions and garlic skin side up. Give it a good grinding of salt and then pepper. Cook it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until it starts to get some lovely colour. This chicken and orzo tray bake is not only a crowd pleaser, but it's so simple to make. With just a little bit of prep and no skills required, you can simply leave the oven to do the hard work for you. So these were very big thighs, so I've given them 25 minutes, and I should point out that they're not actually cooked through yet. We're just beginning to get a little bit of colour on there, which means lots of lovely flavour to the end dish. Now we set the chicken thighs aside onto another plate and we're going to leave everything else in here, and there should be some gorgeous juice at the bottom of the pan. All of the gorgeous flavour is just going to be absorbed by the orzo in a minute. So the chicken's set aside and I'm going to pour in the dry orzo straight into the pan. Stir the dry orzo into the gorgeous flavour and spray off any lovely sticky gorgeous bits. Add the chicken stock, give it a little stir and add the chicken back to the pan, nestle it in, skin side up, because we want to continue getting gorgeous golden crispy skin and juicy chicken underneath. All of this gorgeous flavour is going to be beautifully absorbed by the orzo. Honestly, it is such a hit, this one. So back to the oven for about 20 minutes until the stock has been absorbed and we have cooked orzo and perfectly delicious chicken. Remove the chicken for a minute while you stir through the spinach. The residual heat will be enough to wilt the spinach into the orzo. Chicken and orzo tray bake, it could not be more delicious and it couldn't be simpler to make. We've got beautifully succulent chicken with crispy skin. The orzo has absorbed all that gorgeous stock and flavour from the chicken. It's well balanced, it's a complete meal, and it's such a family favourite. A warm, hearty dish with minimal fuss, perfect for a cosy night in. What I love about this recipe is you get gorgeously crispy chicken skin that's beautifully succulent underneath. The orzo has absorbed all the flavour from the stock, but also from the juices that the chicken has released. Honestly, you have to give this one a go. It's so good. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Mandy Miller-Simmonds, and don't forget to hit subscribe and watch more interviews from the Ideal Home Show right here on our YouTube channel. I will be at the Christmas show running from the 26th to the 30th of November. Grab your tickets on our website. If you would like to see more recipes like this, hit the link in the description to purchase my cookbook. Thank you.